Underwater waterfall Mauritius, in the Indian Ocean, you can observe an unusual natural anomaly, the illusion of an underwater waterfall, located off the coast of the Lumoorn-Brabant Peninsula in southwestern Mauritius. Two parabolic mirrors create a 3D image above the actual object. The image of the tiny alien made here is not a hologram and is produced solely by the reflection of light rays between special concave mirrors. This design principle was discovered circa 1969 by Landry and Ealings at UC Santa Barbara. Wat Sampring Dragon Temple in Thailand. This Buddhist temple is located in the small ancient town of Nakhon Pathom, located 50 kilometers from Bangkok. The unusual appearance is misleading to those who see this creation for the first time. The 50-meter tower with a giant dragon wrapped around it looks more like a fairy tale attraction in Disneyland than a religious structure. The fluorosphere, intricate and dynamic light shows are produced within an elegant glass sphere as fluorescent dyes in mineral oil slowly mix into room temperature water. Ultraviolet LEDs, in the base on which the sphere rests, make the dyes glow brightly and reveal the initial non-diffusive mixing structure, which includes the phenomena of drops, plumes, and other features of Rayleigh-Taylor instabilities. Shown here, slightly sped up, is the first 8 minutes or so of the process, which takes up to half an hour to mix evenly. The green light is characteristic of the famous fluorescein dye. The flatworm. Presently, there are approximately 20,000 species of flatworms. Flatworms usually feed on tunicates, small crustaceans, worms, and mollusks. Their life cycle is not definite. However, some species are known to have lived between 65 to 140 days.